Welcome students. In this video we are going to understand the fourth chapter of unit 3, water management. Fourth chapter is what is water management. So in this we will understand how to manage the use of water. What is management? Take an example of a family. While running a family, tasks need to be shared according to the needs, income, arrangements and strengths of each member. Means whatever tasks means works we do in the family, those works we divide and we share. Now, just as it is possible for a big or small family to live in an environment where the needs and incomes are more or less dependent on the environment, it is necessary to make arrangements accordingly. So, whichever atmosphere or environment may be in the family, according to that, according to the needs, we make arrangements of tasks. The key to ensuring a happy family life is the habit of keeping the needs to a minimum, a disciplined effort for a sufficient income. Now, if our needs are more and income is less, obviously we have to face the problem. Adequate education to carry out one's role properly. So, if you have adequate education, then only you can carry out your role, your part properly. Otherwise, you will fall weak to play your role, and then honest work on it. But if family members have no idea about the total household income, will they limit their needs? Now, if you don't know, in a month you need to earn 20,000 and you can spend just 20,000 or less than it. That time, how will you understand what is how to balance this thing? So, won't all planning go wrong? If the management is required good, then the habit of keeping inward and outward accounts is important. Now, if we need a good management, this is called as good management. How much should we spend and how much are we earning? This is called as management. And if we need a good management, we need to do the inward and outward account. Now, management is important in everyone's life. Management is the condition available to complete the task. Action planned planned use of the convenience means the things which are available for us for our convenience, human and material resources, etc. Water use is an integral part of daily life. Integral part means we cannot separate it from life, we cannot stop it for 1 day or 1 hour. So everyone needs to know about water management and its importance. Now, here a web chart they have given, it shows management. These important things are there which control, supervision, guidance, coordination, organization, planning, administration, encouragement. So these all things we have to do in order to do a good management. So this web chart is about a management mechanism. So this way, let us move further to understand the part. Observe and discuss. Now, you can observe this thing and discuss. Consider the concept of management and note the highlights of your day-to-day dealings. The need of water management. Why do we need it? Considering this element of water from ancient times till now, many changes have taken place in its use. Now, as we understood, we are facing the scarcity of water in our lives, and at some regions of the world, people are even not able to get the water at their residential places. This is why the necessity has arisen to study the availability of water and its management. Man in the early days was using water for drinking and to fulfill his own needs. After the discovery of agriculture, he started using water for agriculture. After the Industrial Revolution, the use of water for industry and other ancillary businesses increased. The policy of storing water from small and big dams on the river has been adopted, which has resulted in the availability of some amount of water. But with the increasing appetite for human development in the modern era, these natural resources have been greatly depleted, and now the condition of water supply in the world as a whole is becoming more and more worrisome. Now in this line they are telling that the policy of storing water, the policy means a plan of storing water from small and big dams. People have adopted this policy, and this is how they store the water, and they don't let the water flow, so that afterwards they can use it. Thereafter thereafter the appetite means the requirement of human being is increasing because the development is increasing, and this is the modern era. This is why the natural resources are falling short greatly. Depleted means they got destroyed due to use, and now the condition of water supply is becoming worrisome. Worrisome means the thing on which we we need to worry. The coming period will be difficult considering the overall situation of population growth, living standards, and agricultural practices. The water problem is one of the biggest problems facing the world. Now here they have given again a circle. In this they have given some important points. Improper, and this is about challenges facing Maharashtra, only about Maharashtra state water condition in state. Improper and excessive use of water, civilization and increasing demand of water, lack of planning, water pollution, unequal distribution of water resources, drought crisis, inadequate utilization of irrigation capacity. Now here are some lands. In these three images they are showing how the dams, ponds are built, and a canal is also there. Biggest problems facing the world. Unfortunately, this issue is still not taken seriously. Water management is the policy of allocating water on the principle of equal justice for all, taking into account all the problems in the three areas of drinking water for certain population, water for agriculture, and water for industry. Now this is telling us that unfortunately the issue people are not taking seriously, and this is why the allocation means the distribution on the principle of equal justice for all, means all should get the water equally. This taking into account all the problems also means understanding problems, what is the scarcity in which place. This thing people are not taking seriously, so we should take it seriously how the water is being used in agriculture and in industrial area as well. If there is no need to use the water in industrial or any other area, we should not use it. If only and if it is required on a very important level, then only it should be used. So here we should stop. We will see the next part in the next video. So have a nice day.